Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to fix a weak flushing toilet. Now, there's a couple of causes to a weak flushing toilet. The most obvious is that there's not enough water from the tank getting into the bowl. And what would cause that? You could have a flapper that's imbuoyant, meaning it doesn't stay up long enough to put the proper amount of water into the tank and in through the siphon and down the drain. Or maybe there's an improper level in the toilet. Very often, a lot of these toilets are very specifically designed. They've got certain levels that you have to maintain in the toilet, and that's designed as per the base. So most tanks have a water level mark within the toilet to determine the exact amount of water that gets flushed down into the lower tank, into lower bowls. I encourage you to maintain that water mark that's been indicated by the factory because it was designed specifically with the tank bowl combination. Another cause of a weak flushing toilet would be debris in the siphon system. In that case, you could try to clean out the ports in the siphoning system of the toilet, or at the worst case scenario, you'd have to replace the toilet. So this was how to fix a weak flushing toilet. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. We'll see you next time.